So for Tuesday's lesson, we're going to use math to make sense of the world. And math is about taking information and turning it into, or taking data and turning it into useful information. So this is a quote from Jo Boaler, and you're about to watch a short video from Jo Boaler. She really believes that all students should leave school being able to make sense from data. Especially now, especially as companies are collecting massive amounts of data about people, using data and being able to make sense out of that rather than just having it be a bunch of numbers, a bunch of um, pieces of data, we need to turn that into useful information. And so that job, being an information processor, is going to be a really important job in the future and also in the present. And it's also going to be important for each of us to be able to do a little bit of that making sense ourselves when we see data.